Flamethrower Coleus series has a new color called Adobo Pink. It's beautiful, it looks great in combinations, as you can see right here. We have it mixed with Salsa Verde Flamethrower, really nice and stunning, nice and contrasting. The Flamethrower series is great for combinations, it's great for the landscape. It has a nice, tidy habit, well branched, and an easy, fast fill for the grower. Next, we have Marble Mania, which is charged up Marble Mania. It is a vigorous, upright, premium sun Coleus. It has a Chartreuse color with a burgundy splash on the leaf. I think it would make great addition to fall combinations and fall programs. Please visit our website to see all of our Coleus.